at the ABC store. Yeah, so this is the new ABC market. I don't know what they call it, but this is where the Wailana coffee shop was. So you can sit outside and dine, I think. They have pizza. It's called Island Country Markets. ABC's Island Country Markets. The old Wailana coffee shop. So that's what the old coffee house looks like. Did an extensive remodel. So, primer, 18. So this is what occupied the Wailana coffee shop now. It's the market, Island Market from ABC. And they even have steak if you want to cook it. If you have like a barbecue, I think. There's the prime rib. That looks pretty good. $18.99. There's the takeout deli. So they have pizza, prime rib, and steak. Island coffee with ubi ice cream. So this is the Island Marketplace from ABC. It's what used to be the Wailana coffee shop. And this is, wow, they got everything. So this is a fancy marketplace store. And they have things to take out. It's a limousine. The Hall of Fame, the Photo Hall of Fame here at the Hilton. The Photo Hall of Fame that was digitized, re-digitized. Huh. It's a limousine. The Hall of Fame, the Photo Hall of Fame here at the Hilton. The Photo Hall of Fame that was digitized, re-digitized. Huh. The water's nice, actually. The water's really Diamond Head. So here's the beach in Honolulu. Another fine day. Another beautiful day. Aloha. So I made it back finally. After about 11 months, I'm finally back. After a long plane ride and a headache.